Welcome back, workshop enthusiasts. We're trustedshoppingguy.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best sanders. Who doesn't love shiny, spotless furniture? It's an essential component of our houses, and keeping it gleaming and polished is every homeowner's dream. In this video, we'll go through the best sanders for woodworking that'll undoubtedly be handy in your workshop. The team at trustedshoppingguy.com have researched, assessed, and awarded ratings to all the sanders that will be presented in this video. We have selected our best options so that you'll be able to decide on the ideal choice. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshoppingguy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The first best sander in our list is the DEWALT Orbital sander. Tackle your sanding projects with ease using this powerful and well-designed tool from DEWALT. This 5-inch brushless and cordless orbital sander delivers speeds of up to 8,000 to 12,000 orbits per minute, making it a brilliant choice for a variety of projects. In terms of size, the sander measures 8.8 by 5.7 by 6.3 inches and weighs 1.9 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuy.com has awarded the DEWALT Orbital sander a 5-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: precise sanding. Because of its low profile, you may get as close to the work surface as possible for accurate sanding. Easy changing. The 8-hole removable hook and loop sanding pad makes switching out the paper quick and simple. Soft grip. It has a texturized overmolded rubber handle for long periods of comfortable sanding. Dust board. To aid in dust collection, it features a one-handed locking dust bag that securely attaches to the sander. Ergonomic design. This tool is equipped with a dust-sealed switch to protect against dust ingestion and enhance its longevity. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is the sanding discs, battery, and charger must be bought separately. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for people who are looking for a quiet and efficient sanding experience. The second best sander in our list is the BLACK+DECKER detail sander. This 2.8-pound BLACK+DECKER detail sander is a fantastic example of what a detail sander should be like: lightweight and agile. Its small size enables it to fit into even the most confined of locations, measuring 10.25 by 4.63 by 5.44 inches in total. It also has an amazing finger attachment that elevates it above the rest of the pack and is ridiculously cheap. TrustedShoppingGuy.com has awarded the BLACK+DECKER detail sander a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: detailed finger attachment. It features an interchangeable attachment that may be switched out to provide access to hard-to-reach spots. 3 precision grip. This sander from BLACK+DECKER has been thoughtfully constructed with 3 distinct grip positions. You can put greater emphasis in areas that need more sanding than usual, or apply more pressure to the tool to speed up the sanding process by using different grip positions. Hook and loop. With the use of a hook and loop, replacing the sanding paper has become simple. All that remains is to remove the old sandpaper and replace it. Dust collection canister. It offers a high-performance system with microfiltration that keeps your work surface clean with less sawdust and debris. Powerful motor. It features a 1.2 ampere motor that supplies 16,000 orbits per minute for fast and thorough material removal. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is it's corded, and while this offers a limited runtime, it might limit your movement. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this to anyone who needs to reach the tiny gaps in a wooden chair or any other furniture because its sharp front can go to the corners. The third best sander in our list is the Bosch Palm Sander. Everything you'll ever need is in this easy-to-use Bosch Palm Sander. The 2.5 ampere motor that drives this lightweight sander may be laughed at by many, but it has won the hearts of its users as it offers an optimized combination of pad orbit and rotation, resulting in fast removal and well-blended, ultra-smooth finish. In terms of size, it measures 9 by 5 by 6 inches and weighs 3.5 pounds. TrustedShoppingGuy.com has awarded the Bosch Palm Sander a 4-batch rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: soft grip. It has an ergonomic soft grip top and handles that make it easy for the user to hold it in various ways. Speed options. You can do this slow, methodical, fine grinding at 7,500 orbits per minute with fine sandpaper, or eat through the roughest material at 12,000 orbits per minute with coarse sandpaper. Smooth finish. Swirl markings are a typical complaint among random orbit sander operators. Bosch, however, equipped this tool with a dampening system to prevent swirls on the surface after sanding, ensuring a smooth finish to any surface. Clean operation. This tool has an impressive dust collection system that keeps your workspace clean and tidy. Its microfiber filter captures even the finest dust, and it works without fail. Low vibration. The machine operates with minimal vibration, allowing you to use it without being bothered or facing any issues. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it might not be easy to use if you're a beginner because of how complex it is, so we recommend watching tutorial videos to help you get started. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to people looking for a complete toolkit because it comes with a sanding pad, sanding disc, dampening ring, dust canister, vacuum adapter, and a carrying bag. The fourth sander in our list is a GALAX Pro Orbital sander. If you don't want to spend hours sanding, this machine will finish your project in no time. It has a powerful 280-watt motor that produces tremendous power and incredible speed. Not only that, this 3.92-pound sander comes with a 125mm diameter sanding pad, allowing you to quickly polish even huge areas in tough materials. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the GALAX Pro Orbital Sander a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: dust collection. Its dust extraction mechanism and collection bag keep dust from blocking your view and make the cleanup process much easier. Velcro-type fastening system. The Velcro-like fastening technique makes changing sanding paper easier than before. It also makes it more secure and stable. Comfortable handle. It features a handle with a soft rubberized grip that perfectly fits your hand for maximum control and comfort. 6 speeds. To suit your project, you can adjust the speed between 6,000 to 13,000 revolutions per minute. Ergonomic design. This tool contains dust-sealed switches to keep them clean, as well as an easy-to-reach lock-on button for a more comfortable experience, even with continuous use. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, a few users share that it's a bit loud, so you might need to wear ear protection if you're going to use it for long periods. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who are working on big projects because it has a wide sanding pad that can help finish the task quickly. The fifth sander in our list is the CRAFTSMAN Orbit Sander. CRAFTSMAN's 3.5-pound, 10.13 by 5.5 by 5.75 inch sander is easy to use and produces a smooth, even sanding finish. It also seems to be virtually comparable to a DEWALT sander when disassembled and analyzed on the surface. With an eye-catching piece with a crimson body, a round form, and sturdy construction, you'll be getting a lot of bang for your buck. TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded the CRAFTSMAN Orbit Sander a 4-badge rating. The team recommends this purchase based on the following: highly durable. This electric sander's dust-sealed switch offers improved durability. Dust bag. The dust bag is particularly effective at collecting debris and dust specks, allowing you to operate in a cleaner environment. Ergonomic design. Its low-profile design is designed to improve control and lessen vibration. Reliable motor. With a 3.0 ampere motor that spins at 12,000 oscillations per minute, this machine gives you the power to get things done quickly. Lightweight. This 5-inch electric sander is quite light, weighing only about 3.5 pounds, so you may move it around easily while using it, giving you better control over your work. Keeping all of that in mind, the thing you should know before you buy the product is, it requires to be plugged in while in use, which may limit your movement. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone working on small and medium sanding projects like table sanding because it holds enough power to do that. And there you have it, folks. Our best sanders, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next sander roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshop great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.